Good morning. Today let us see how to use VLOOKUP. Okay. If you observe the sheet, here we have a roll number and name of the student. But if you observe the another sheet, we have only roll number, and here we have to copy the name of the student for the particular roll number. But if you observe these roll numbers, this is not in a order. Here it is started from 39, 40, 41, again it is started from 1, 2, 4, 5 like that. So this is in a jumbling order. If you do manually, it will take so much of time. So to get the direct names directly, you can use the VLOOKUP. So we have a one formula. Okay, see, initially we have to take the formula, that is starts with V. Then we have to click on VLOOKUP, just double click here. After then you have to see the lookup value. So here the lookup value is the roll number. So let us click on first number, that is 39. That is the lookup value. So for this particular value, particular numbers, we need the name. So that's why I am clicking the lookup value, that is the 39. After then we have a comma. Here it is giving the suggestions, it shows the suggestions. So after then we have to add comma. After then table array. So that means from where we have to copy the data. Here I am copying the data from another sheet, that is this one. See here, here we have roll numbers in order, but where jumbled. So from here you have to select the array. Here I want the total data, so that's why I am selecting the total area. Up to now you have to drag. After then here you have to add the again. See, again you have here table array column comma. After then column index number. So in this sheet, this is the first column, this is the second column. So for this particular roll number, we have to get these numbers. So this is 1 and this is 2. So you have to give the number 2. After then we have a comma again, comma, and range lookup. Here you have to click on the, to get the exact match, you have to click on the false. Again double click. After then we have to close the bracket and just click on enter. Yeah, you got one number, that is the Madagala Venkata Lakshmi Sri Narayana. Okay, this is for one particular row. Now if you want the data for all the roll numbers, so just you have to click, double click here, then you get the value for all. Sometimes it may not work, then in those cases just you have to drag this plus icon. Like that also you can get the names for this particular roll numbers. So let us check whether it is right or not. 39. Okay, here Madagala S Venkata Lakshmi Narayana. Let us see. 39, not this one. This one. So where is 39? Here. Yes, this is 39. So Madagala S Venkata Lakshmi Narayana Srinivas. Let us take one more. 301 Barri Kamalesh Verma. Barri Kamalesh Verma. So where is 301? Here. 301 Barri Kamalesh Verma. Got it? So like that you have to do the VLOOKUP. Clear? Stop. Thank you.